If you ever thought to yourself, I want to make money online, but I have no idea what to sell, this video is for you. Here are 3 digital products you can create and sell, even if you're just starting, and even if you don't have a big audience. Let's just get right into it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to another video. My name's Olivia Janelle. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 digital products you can start selling today. And here's the thing, you don't have to overcomplicate anything. All you have to do is just start. So product idea number 1. This is the guide you wish you had. Think of a time in your life where you felt stuck, mentally, emotionally, or even just trying to stay consistent with something. What helped you shift? Turn that process into a guide. You can think of it this way: a reset roadmap, a Sunday prep ritual, or even a mindset reset in 7 days. Make it into a PDF, upload it, and you're done. Remember this, people don't buy perfection, they buy perspective. Product idea number 2. This can be a simple checklist. What is something that you do every single week that helps you stay grounded or productive? Believe me when I tell you this, that routine has value. Make a checklist, your morning flow, a weekly clarity routine, a self-care Sunday. Keep it all on one page, create it in Canva. This can either be a freebie or a $5 product. Product idea number 3, a personal journal template. If you journal, reflect, or even track something in your life, your prompts can actually help someone. Turn your favorite questions into a Notion template or printable journal. You don't need to coach to guide. Just share what works best for you. Here's some gentle reminders to keep note of. You don't need a website. You don't even need a huge audience. You just need a story, a little structure, and the courage to say, this helped me. Maybe it can help someone else too. I created a free personal brand guide to help you figure out what you could create and how to start sharing it. You can grab it in my Stand store, link down below. And while you're there, join my free Aligned Brand Collective community, a space for creators and coaches building real brands in real life with support. In there, you'll find clarity prompts and also some tutorials. If this gave you clarity, please comment in the section down below. I'm ready to sell what I know. Hit subscribe if you're building a brand that aligns with who you are. Keep showing up, keep shining, and always stay sunny side up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.